This free software can play almost any video. How to download VLC media player for Windows 10, Windows 11 or on any Windows PC or laptop easily. Open Google Chrome or any web browser, type VLC media player in Google. Do keep watching. I'm showing you the official site VLC download. Other sites may have virus and add-on. Make sure you click on this site. It takes you to the official VLC site. When you click on this arrow here, you can see different options. It's showing Windows 64-bit here because my PC is Windows 64-bit. It detects your operating system. To download VLC media player, click on the download button here. Save it. If your download doesn't start, click here. When it's done, click on the download file on the desktop or wherever it's saved. When you get this pop-up to install VLC media player on Windows 10, click on yes. Choose your preferred language. I prefer English. Click on OK. Then click on next. It shows the agreement. When you're done reading it, click on next. Then on this screen, you can choose the installation type as recommended, minimum, full or custom. I prefer minimum. Also, you can uncheck if you don't want anything from here. Then click on next. It's advisable not to change the installation folder. Just click on install. After a few seconds, you get this. Click on finish. Click on continue. VLC media player opens up. Then you can go through different options here and preferences setting. Let's play a video and say, click on open file under media. Select the video and click on open. If this video was helpful or you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe with bell for more such videos.